Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear and delete cookies on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you use a browser uh, on your iPhone like Safari or Chrome, and if you see some website is asking for the acceptance of the cookies, and you allow, and now if you want to remove that cookies from that website on your iPhone iOS 26, so we will discuss here so how you can remove or delete that cookies. So hope you have now if you want to know about that, then you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning on the airplane mode again, then what you have to do next is you have to simply open the settings. But before this, I will tell you what is basically a cookie. A cookies on website basically are download files which are downloaded on your computer by that website, so that it can use uh, your website or your iPhone or device storage, so that it can work properly. So now if you want to delete that, for this you have to simply go to settings. Now if you want to delete that from the Safari, then you have to simply look for the apps, and here you have to search for the Safari here, and here you have to simply click on Safari, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of clear history and website data. So here, if you click on that clear history and website data, then all of the cookies and website data will be deleted. Then you have to make sure that you have selected for today and yesterday and all history. If you want to delete all, then you have to simply select all history. Then it will close all tabs and it will clear all the cookies also. But if you want to uh, delete the cookies for a specific website, then you have to simply again open the setting, and you have to go to Safari, and you have to click on advanced, and here you can simply turn on the cookies. And if you want to delete for that website, then you can simply click on block all cookies, and after that you can simply open that website, and the cookies will not be available for to that website. So here you can simply click on website data, and you can also delete that website data from here and cookies. So hope you have liked this. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.